Today's product highlight is our hardened 11-port managed switch product line. These switches are made in the USA by an American company based out of Connecticut. The majority of our low-cost competitors are made in Asia and don't meet strict state and federal regulations. Our switches are made in USA, TAA compliant, and GSA approved. They also come with a lifetime warranty, advanced PoE capabilities, and are hardened for the harshest conditions. When ComNet started designing this switch, we wanted an enterprise feature set in an edge switch. This switch has features typically only found in enterprise core switches while maintaining a competitive price point for edge switches. The switch was engineered for surveillance applications that have high throughput and low latency video requirements. Some of the features required for modern-day video traffic are IGMP snooping and query, 9K jumbo frame support, and OID VLAN tagging to automatically put your cameras in a separate VLAN with a priority class of service. All of these features are available on our homegrown Made in the USA switch. An often overlooked requirement for edge switches is cybersecurity. These devices are deployed in remote locations without supervision. Our switch has a complete security feature set so you can lock down your switch with the industry best security. The switch supports standard port disable, MAC binding, and access control list. But we have an additional layer of security our competitors don't. The switch also features Port Guardian, a feature exclusive to ComNet that makes your switch hacker-proof at the edge. Port Guardian works by disabling ports when the switch sees a port state change, essentially locking hackers out of the switch, preventing any communication from transmitting. Let's take a look at the physical ports on the switch. Ports 1 through 8 are copper RJ45 ports. Ports 9 through 11 are SFP fiber ports. Also shown are dual power inputs, an alarm relay, and USB port for console access. On the back is a built-in DIN rail connector. The 11-port switch comes in two base models. The CNGE11 is a full gigabit switch. The 8 copper ports support 10, 100, 1000 transmission speeds. The CNGE3 FE8 has 10, 100 copper ports and gigabit uplinks. Quick note, the fiber ports support 100 FX and gigabit optics. Ports 10 and 11 also support 2.5 gigabit optics. Both base models also have PoE options available. The base PoE option will support up to 30 watts per port on 8 RJ45 ports. The PoE HO option will provide 60 watts of PoE on ports 1 through 4 and 30 watts of PoE on ports 5 through 8. Let's take a look at some of our power supply options. The non-PoE version of the switch has a wide input range of 12 volts DC to 57 volts DC. Both the AMR and DRA power supply families will work for this application. The PoE version of the switch require a minimum of 48 volts DC to power the switch and provide PoE for your devices. When selecting a power supply, it's recommended to budget less than 70% of the power supply's rated output. Thank you so much for getting this far. If you have any questions, need assistance with the project, or would like some additional training, please contact us at your convenience. Kevin McKeever is our distribution sales manager. His contact is listed. He's definitely a person you'd want to speak to in the future. For any additional info, I'm happy to help. My name's Rocky Montoya. I'm the national trainer. Feel free to contact me with any questions or any issues. Thank you so much for taking the time to review this video. Have a great day.